Goods and Services Tax. Score full marks in GST by avoiding silly mistakes. Let's revise the most important exam point. Types of GST. When is which GST used? For sales within the same state, CGST and SGST are charged together. For sales between two different states, IGST is charged. Remember this rule carefully. GST is calculated on the price after discount. GST is not calculated on market price or marked price. Always apply discount first, then calculate GST. Taxable value is Rs 1080. GST rate is 12%. GST amount equals 1080 multiplied by 12 divided by 100. GST amount comes as Rs 129.6. Write the answer as Rs 129.60. Always write GST answers in 2 decimal PL. So, let's check about the bill question. These types of questions are very important for exams. Pay attention to calculation and row. Ding. Here, the total amount is Rs 1747.20. After rounding off to the nearest 10, the amount becomes Rs 1750. In exams, both values must be written. Finally, write the statement. Marks. Input GST is the GST paid while purchasing goods. Output GST is the GST collected while selling goods. GST payable equals output GST minus input GST. Do not apply GST before discount. Do not forget CGST equals SGST. Do not write 129.5 instead of 129.50. Do not round off before the final answer. Do not forget the conclusion statement in B. Use correct formula. Show proper steps. Write units in rupees. Follow rounding instructions carefully. Add final statement if asked. These small stay. PS save big marks. Follow for more math videos. Practice regularly and stay confident.